Hindi mo nakasali sa kanila.
Kapila? 11. Ay, wait siguro.
Smart niya. Kahit sa mga interview niya, talagang malaman yung
I love that she's super proud na Pinay.
kaya naman siyang Tagalog pa rin siya.
I love yeah.
Kasi sa atin lang yung ibang ano, Indonesian.
Wala na.
She oh gosh, I was gonna say when she won a match, I can't remember what that match was, but I think she might have been she was like a winner of Grand Slam. Yeah, is that right? I think she won in the first round of yeah. And it's like a huge thing for us. Like, winning the first round is like it's crazy. And when she won against, I'm a huge fan of Schwantek, and when she won against her, I was divided. Like I should be rooting for her, but I was like sad for Iga. That was really impressive that she won against. I think she was number 1 or number 2. Yeah, at that time. So and someone who'd already won a Grand Slam. Exactly. Yeah. Are you gonna beat her?
No, sa Tagalog. No, of course.
Magaling ito. Tapos na siya. Oh, ngayon lang.
But you're here until sabihin mo, 22 pa yung
Okay.
Hindi, ngayon lang ang dumating.
Diyan mo.
Sana sharp.